An air fryer is a revolutionary kitchen appliance that uses hot air to cook food, giving it a crispy and crunchy texture without the added fat and calories of traditional deep frying. With an air fryer, you can enjoy all your favorite fried foods, from chicken wings to French fries, with a healthier twist. Not only does an air fryer make cooking easier and faster, but it also saves you time and energy by eliminating the need for preheating and constant monitoring. Plus, it's so versatile that you can cook a variety of dishes in it, such as roasted vegetables, fish, and even desserts. Overall, the air fryer is an excellent addition to any kitchen, making it easy to prepare delicious, crispy meals in no time, without sacrificing taste or health. If you need to purchase or buy one of the best air fryer, then click the link given in comment. I hope you will find the best one. Please follow or subscribe me for the next update. Thanks for watching the video.